Hello again. Right, so I've just changed it because I misread your message. So if we go on video, I've now got 1120 by 700. It's good. Yes. Oh, look at that. It's going straight in there. Look. If I go over here, we'll go over there. I'm going to go up to the website in a minute. Yeah, there's a couple of seconds of delay, but again, that's not uncommon. Boom. And... oh, it's because I'm looking at it, innit? Oh, yeah, no. So, is that okay now, Derek? Can you hear me clearly and see everything? I'm going to go on the website. I'm now on the website, highlighting stuff. If I quickly go on there and then move you down. The delay is probably caused by the bitrate. Yeah, sweet. Okay, I mean, a slight delay. Yeah, that's good. That's good. A slight delay is something I'm going to have to live with until I get probably upgrade my PC a little bit. But just so long as you can see everything. I mean, I'm going to highlight it. There's a load of pictures. We've got a man with a drill for some reason. Yeah, all cool. Maybe close to the end of the stream. You can back up and DB. Right, I'm going to be a bit naive here. What is DB? I only know it as decibels, which is not what you're meaning, I'm sure. Dual boot, okay. I'm going to be a bit thick again. Don't know what that is. I do apologise. Oh, okay. So you got two operating systems as such, yeah? And that would, like, what would that do? That would sort out the bit rate, would it? Oh, that's the problem. What you're writing right there, that could be a problem. Actually, saying that, I'm pretty sure my computer's got decent storage. What am I doing? My PC's gone on it, like, oh, what have I done? This PC. Oh, yeah, maybe not. Yeah, I got 21 gig left. It is about as full as it can get. Maybe not, oh, crap. Maybe not just now. Oh, I do. Oh, okay. Sweet. Storage 10 gigabyte core and education. Cool. That's something I'm going to have a look at then. Later on this evening as well then. Along with the Linux package you sent. Oh, that. Sorry, the storage 10 gigabyte. That is the Linux one you were saying, yeah? Yeah, that's it. The Zunivo. Yep. Right. I do. You find out what core you're using and processor and stuff. Because my computer, the days of that are gone, aren't they? Your spec of your PC. Oh, good. The delay's small. Excellent. Everything's good. Good. Because I can't remember how to do this. So there's my super duper screen. Only one, of course, because why would you have two? I know it, right? Okay. Right, get rid of that. So I need to press Window and X. And then press Y. Mate, shortcut glory. Look at that. About. Ta-da! Right, so we've got, if I quickly bring you in, an Intel R-Core TM660 by 2.4 gigahertz processor. Probably about 90 years old. I got 4 gigabytes of RAM, mate. And then what was the spec on the super duper thing here? So if we just do that and then that. Oh god, it's all gone wrong. Right. Storage, 10 gig. Right, we've got enough for that. RAM, yeah, we've got enough. And that one, yeah, no idea. Absolutely no idea. Where's the bit processor? Any ideas there, Derek? Because I'm well lost when it comes to stuff like that. I can play Fortnite, but that's about it. An Intel Core CPU, and I need at least a 1 GHz dual core Intel AMD 64-bit processor. At least my display is going to be good as gold. What's this one take? Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you very much for your help on this, Derek. Well, look, there's me moving it about a bit. Oh, mate, he's quick, isn't it? It's a lot better. Lot better. This gives you this. Hello. Yeah, no, I'm not going to download it just yet. Okay, mate, go on, crack on. Thank you very much, Derek. You're much appreciated, sir. Well, I'm gonna crack on with the website. But yeah, I'll message you later on. Thank you. And if you come back, then obviously we can chat about anything anyway. Good man. Thank you very much for your help. Right. Actually, I'm gonna go and grab a drink. I'll be back in a moment. Well done. Right, I'm back. Alright, so we're still in, all good, everyone's happy. Right. Yep, so Derek, we're gonna crack on, but I'll definitely be having a look at everything, and yeah, probably gonna download it over the next few days or so. Right. Close that one for now. What else we got open? We've got everything open here, so close that. It all fell apart a little bit because we realised that I was doing everything wrong. Luckily, Derek was there to save the day. Okay. Now, I like... Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. There we go. Right. Was that central? Wow, which is that one. Right, that one I can jog on. Right, back to the top. Position fixed. Bottom, right and bottom. So it should be in the bottom right. So where is it? Ah, because back to the top. Although it's there, there was nothing actually put in. There it is. Right. So. Right. That's the top container. Right, where are we? Where are we? Let's stop mucking about here. So, got the top bit. Got the second bit. Right, it looks absolutely pony. Okay, what we're going to do, I'm going to add PhD interiors there in a different font and style and colour and everything. Get rid of that bit because that looks shocking, and then leave that maybe there. So we'll see how that goes. So in the comp container now, we need to add we don't need an anchor on this one because it's just the logo. So we need to do a div. Give it a class of heading. Oh, is it headings? Yes, it is headings with an S. Close that, and then we need to do a div, and on there we're going to put PhD interiors. PhD interiors. Right, cool. If we save that and go back, that'll be there. Cool. But we want that to look completely different from all the others. So we're going to give this one an ID of PhD. Why not? Cool. Go on style. Find the headings. And then above that, do hashtag PhD. And on this one, right, so from memory, IDs overtake classes. So in that sense, if we just quickly do that and then that, why not working now? Because I've done it wrong. That can go there. Oh my good grief, golly, oh mate. Right, stop doing that, right. There we go. There it is, right. So we'll do that like that. And then we'll do that like that. That way we can still see everyone's lovely faces. And now we're here. Cool. Right. Now, if we're just going to turn this quickly into colour, black. See what that does. Boom. Right. So it takes all of the gear from that lot and then overwrites it with whatever we've got. Yeah, so at the moment that has got the text shadow in, the colour, the margin top, the bold, blah 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 blah, but then it's also over it the colour of it with colour for black. Right, so that's why there's no shadow. So if we make that red, I know you can, right, that's well too bright, but you get the idea. Now how do we do it where, I always forget this one. What's this? Oh, cool. Right, so Flexbox. Flexbox CSS, let's go with that. And then there's a really cool one, it's this one I think, that shows you how to do all the different little bits and pieces. Got little pictures and stuff. I think this is the one. There we go, right. Well, we don't need to worry about that. Display. Right, that's fine. Come on, load up. There we go. Row. Right, so we don't need to worry about that. We don't need to worry about that. What we want to do is flex flow. This is a shorthand for flex direction. Right, no. See, we want to do it so that the first one align self. Here we go. Flex start. Right, cool. Alright, so we want to do color, align, dash self, and it will be flex start. Let's sell that. And if we now go back to our website, they ain't done anything, which is cool. Well, let's just see if it works and put in flex end. That's weird. Okay, so it's the flex start is the top, end is the bottom. Maybe. I don't know. Right. Oh. Let's go on examples quickly. That'll help. Right. I'm sure we can find it here. Flex grow, right. Order, doesn't matter. Items makes sense, right? Look at that. Container, display, flex direction. Right, we don't need flex direction. We don't need that. Don't need. Do we want to grow? Right, so what if we put it as that? So flex grow. Derek, good man. I'm currently trying and failing. So I'm getting rid of that because it looks absolutely pony. I've put that up there as like a like the heading as such, like, you know, like the title of the website. So that's going to change colour and everything in a minute because again, it looks pony. So I'm trying to make that stand out, and what I want to do in theory is make this a bit bigger here, and then these lot will move over slightly, and that's where we're going from now. But at the moment I'm having trouble because I've got Flexbox on and I'm using space evenly for the top container. So if I just quickly put a border around this, border red, 2 pixels solid, like that, boom. So inside the container there I've got Flexbox on and justify content of space evenly, which obviously moves them equally apart. I only need in theory these three to do even, and I want him to be separate. Now I've just had a quick little Google and we've got these ones. So I'm thinking if I get flex grow, so if I get him to grow, the other lot will all move over based on the back of that, I think. So That's where we are at the moment. So if I quickly go onto there, and it will be that screwdriver photo. Oh, mate. That one. Horrendous, isn't it? In fact, we'll change that now because that's scaring me. Yeah, now when I was making the website for the guy, he, we always joke about each other. I must admit, I wouldn't have started it if I remembered that it was actually in there. But alas, I forgot. So, it's the power one, him. He can just disappear for now. Content. Comment. It is that. Yeah. And then it'll be that. Hey, it worked. So now hello. That was weird. Should be gone. He is, right. There you go. What a screwdriver photo. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, so if we can now give this, what's happening? Oh no, I put the wrong one. What's that? Oh, go away. Right. Cool. Right. Flex grow. Here we go. So I need to find my PhD. There he is. Flex dash grow. And then put it as 1. What will that do? That's the kitty! Right. That is what we was after. Now, in theory, how do we space out the other 2 then? So, if we now give all of these ones 2, then that should automatically... Two, and... Oh, wrong one, that one. That didn't do anything. Right, space evenly. Oh, Mark, I've done it in the wrong one. So I wanted it to do there, and that. Nope, still didn't do anything. How do I now get these out of the... Let's just make this big, see if it's that. It's not. How do I now get these boys to be bigger? How do I get them in space of... Ah, what have I done here? This is not good. What am I doing? I don't want that. There we go. Right. So he's now 1. So in theory we can move him off the wall and everything. So if we put in... Well, get rid of flex grow there a minute. Let's just make this guy right first, and then we can go about the other one. Delete that. Oh no. There we go. So if we go padding left, and then say, I don't know, 20 pixels just to see. Boom! Right, okay, so we can move that one over where we want. But then did that also move that a lot over? I think it did, but that's okay because we can change that in a bit. Actually saying that if we put in the headings, padding left, and then say 20 pixels again. Hey, mine occasionally will always just pop off. It drives me mental. Why isn't that working? Because I've done the wrong thing, that's why. There we go. Right, okay, so that's opening up some space. That's cool. I don't know if you can... Can't you make electrical potatoes? You can run a battery off of it or something? Right, okay, so we can... Ah, don't be sorry. Why are you sorry? Padding. Right. And then go on 20 pixels. Just for now, see what it looks like. Boom, that should move that one over. Sweet! Right. Oh! No worries, I was just telling you about potatoes. Wasn't that exciting? I just say sorry with it. Oh, okay. Yeah, no worries, no worries. It's not a problem. I talk fast as well, so apologies. I'll try to slow down. Is this all good still? Yes, it is. Right. We're changing drawing services to drawings. Now I have the hiccups. Good times. Right, so drawing services is going to change. To drawings. A PC. That's better. Yeah, no, I got a PC. Oh, a pic. Of what, mate? So we want that lot now to move over. Yeah. I like it. Got your little boat slot. Oh, nice. When you say 2005 site, what site? Is it Twitch or something else? Sorry, mate, I'm not sure. Looks good, though. Oh! I'll tell you what, let's... what's this one? What's the parrot thing? We had a parrot project. Parrot OS is the flagship security. Oh, okay. Okay. This is the OS again, yeah, like the thingy. I'll tell you what, let's just save image as. See what it looks like, shall we? In there and go on map. Let's see what that looks like when we put it in. I've done the wrong one because I'm clever like that. Oh my god, what am I doing? Oh, sorry, mate. What is this? The Paris. Oh, website design. Sorry. Yes, it is. It is. I actually really like this one. Sorry, mate. I'm all confused at the minute. Oh, and in the background there, look. Yep. Yeah. See, this is it, like, because to copy that, I can probably copy it. But I've done that a few times now. And when you copy, I'm finding that and I'm not really getting loads out of it. In that, all I'm doing is just, there's no design going on in my head. I'm just literally like, I don't know, for example, that'll be like a div over that bit, which will then be a height of, say, I don't know, 50 pixels or whatever. Here will be a logo, which you then just attach to the home page. Each of these will obviously be different web pages. Yeah, I mean, that'll be when you hover over it, you do your pseudo links and everything else. Like, on the top of my head, I can work out how to do it all. But to actually start from scratch and design something is driving me mad, because I've got the, as you said earlier, I've got the design mind of a potato. So, like, I wouldn't be able to, off the top of my head, make that. I can copy it, should be fine. But the actual getting the, do you know what I mean? The design flair to do so. But let's see what your little world map thing looks like in the back of this, which is this one here. This one. So if we change that there to map.jpg, save, and then go to that, and then go there. Boom! I tell you what, despite the fact that we can't use it because it's for a like a joiner, a carpenter and such, yeah, like, it's actually really good. It's actually really good. What's weird about it though, and this is the problem I've been having, is it fits. It fits the page as such, yeah. And one of the ones I've been having is that everything I'm using has to be stretched or looks crap when it opens up big. You know, like it might be blocky or it might be that. But that one, it fits. It's really good. I will keep that if that's okay, because I will use that on something else, I'm sure. So let's just change that back quickly to sand. So you see what I mean? Like, so on this I just done a quick save as from the website, yeah. So when I do the background image, it literally just takes up rectangles, and if I then stretch it, it becomes blurry because it's now massive. So I just got to get used to how to do that, I suppose. But no, that's cool. Thank you. Right. So let's get these all spaced out properly. If I go on there and go on, where are we? Here we go. So we want the padding on the right to be, say 50 picks. Actually, right, let's try the M's again because that's where it's good. So 5M. We'll probably move it well over. Yeah, far too much. Okay, so let's go with 2.5 M. I've done that twice as well, which I didn't need to do. So take that one back. Right. Well, too far. 1.5. That's a bit better. And now we want to go on the left of that one. If we say 2M, it should move it well over. No, why has that done that? Let's go with 1M. We want the space in between them to go down, so let's actually get rid of that one completely. See, that's alright. I want to move that one over slightly to the right more, so if we go for 1M, see what that does. A bit better. 0.7. That's better. That's better. Yep. You know what, we do want a little bit more padding in between them, so if we go on the padding left and go for, I don't know, like say 10 picks, might not even move them, it might be too close. 20. Try. That's better. Cool. Right, so now we need to make him stand out. So if we go with, let's just make that a bit cleaner. So what is it, Derek? Do you do web dev as well, or what do you do? Is he still there? He is. Yep. So let's make this bigger. So we want to. Oh, again, I'm guessing. I guess it was you, but who knows? Right. So I think that's alright there. Now we need to make this bigger. So if we go with font, right, we've got to remember though that will automatically add on to the one below as well. So it won't just be 2. Whatever we put there. So say we put in 50 pix, it'll be 50 pix plus 2.5 M. So on here, if we go with 2.5 M, let's see what that does. Should be massive. Didn't do anything. That's not good. Why didn't it do nothing? Okay, let's just go with 5M. Okay, right, it didn't add that in, so that's interesting. Right, so we want to go with padding 0. No, we don't, because that moves that back. How the hell do we get that back up there? I mean, it's too big anyway, like, it ain't gonna work, but... Right, let's get rid of the padding left quickly. So now it's touching... Oh, okay, so it's taken the one from below as well. Okay, okie dokie. Let's go with 2. So smaller. Okay, so let's go with 3.5. Now we need it to move up. So padding dash bottom equals 20 pixels. Why didn't that work? Okay, let's go with 50. See if it makes it a bit bigger. Nope. I am back. Hello again. Yeah, no, I asked Derek, what is it you do? Do you are you a web dev? Are you I don't know, coder, to do with apps? What's your forte? Because I'm definitely not. I'm trying to be, but as you can see, it's not the greatest. Oh, what's going on here? Right. So how do we move that up? So margin will move everything around it down. Padding will move it down. Right, let's just try something completely nuts. Padding dash bottom equals 100 pix. You're a student. Good man. Right, that ain't working at all. Let's get rid of that. A student. What's that? University? College? Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, fair play. Yep. If I could go back many years, I would probably do a college course as well. High school for the Americans. Oh, cool. Cool. Right. When will you activate Windows? Oh, mate, that is so annoying, isn't it? Okay, so what it is, this computer I got from work when I was about 8 years ago or so. This is why it's about 8 years. Are you KSI plus pretty much. So that thing down the corner, it used to be fine, and then one day Windows just, I don't know, it just appeared, and I can't activate it. Like, I don't know how to do it. I haven't got a clue. Like, it comes up occasionally with I'm not allowed to use Word or Excel, but then it allows me to. So up until the point when it shuts down everything, I don't know. Yeah, literally. Is it? Yep. Settings. Is it going to cost me any money? This is the question. Settings. Because if it is, I'm not going to do it. Recovery. Uh-oh. Recovery. Press home. Oh, yeah. Right, recovery. What are we looking at? Dun. From update and security. See, this is why you're here. Windows Update. Activations. Oh, I'm scared. Is he going to tell me I can't do it? We can't activate Windows on this device because... Ah, there we go, look. That's it. Where we got taken away from the server, as in the PC was given to me, you can't do it. And in which case, then I'm going to have to buy the product key. And, no. So, there you go. That's why. But, now I know. And that is why you use Linux. Here's a question, because I don't know the answer. Is it Linux or Linux? I don't know how you're going to spell that to me. I have when... Oh, really? When you get the old Linux, that's how it works, is it? Okay, if it's Linux, put in Linux now. And if it's Linux, put in Liiiinux. There you go, Linux. Okay. Thank you very much. That answered that. Not Linux. No. I'm just being quite clearly a fool. Oh, well, potato, and all that, innit? Aluminium in England and aluminum in America. Tomato. It's all the same. Right, what am I doing here? Right, let's close that one down. Right. PhD. Here we go. Right. Now, if you got Windows 10 in 2016, you get it for free for life. Ah, okay. Okie dokie. Mate, I had to buy a laptop the other day. Excuse me. I had to buy a laptop for my stepson because it's Christmas and all that jazz, yeah? And I didn't even realise Windows, not Windows, like Microsoft Office is no longer comes with PCs, does it? You've got to pay like either a yearly subscription and then obviously renew it each year, or you can get a one-off copy that if it gets deleted from your system, you lose it. I was like, oh, come on, mate, really? He's like, yeah. I think it was 85 quid for the year, or 150 quid for life. But again, if it gets deleted, you lose it. Ah, mate, everything's expensive now. What was it? Where I used to work, they had AutoCAD and Revit and all that, you know, for drawing packages. Oh, mate, all day long we will be. Now that I know that. I will. But we used to have drawing packages to draw like projects, you know, like grand floor plans and everything else like that. Use it, as I say, Revit and that. And I think the price to have the license for it was something like 10 grand. I was like, really? There we go. Look, tell him to use LibreOffice. Works like a charm. Uses docs, files, all the basic windows. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm going to be saving this chat. We'll be saving it, getting all these little shortcuts and Linux information. Right. Here we go. Do you have any idea how you could move that up without going fixed? Because, oh man. Right, let's try margin quickly. See if margin does anything. So in theory, this one should move it down. Which it did. Right, okay, so it's not that one. Right, so that should move all of it down. That didn't... The fuck? What did that do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Right, okay. want it in line in theory. So if I just move it up a little bit, that'll do. Why would it not be like that? I don't get why this one ain't working. Let's go 200 pixels and go completely over the top. Nothing. 2,000 pixels. Nothing. You can use your mind OSS, you can OEM install, which is cool. Okay. OEM. OSS. What are they? It looks good, but I don't know what they are, sorry. Oh, what's this? On Windows you've got to pay like £600 for the CD. Yes! Anything Windows is expensive. OEM, I know that name. Why do I know that name? OEM. Not REM, they're the band. Alright, what I'm going to do is come back to that. So I need my little post-it note. Move PhD to middle and change colours. How do I minimise you? Go away. What's this one? Oh yeah, I could have just googled it, couldn't I? Sorry, mate. Yep. Sorry, I'm looking at it now. I could have done that, sorry. I'm going for it now, look. Right, okay. I'm confused myself. Right. Anyway, right. Flexbox is cool. We've done that. Operating systems. Yes. Right. Also, with most operating systems, you can OEM store, which is cool. Right. Yes. Original equipment manufacturer. There we go. Right. I'm with you. With you. Right. So we're getting rid of that. Home. H1. Where's the H1 gone? There. He can disappear. We don't like him anymore. Right, now we need some padding top to make it move down. So we're going to go with the top container full page here. Padding top. Go with 50 pixels. Why not? Oh, we meant to make that fatter. How did it just do that? So the text now. H1 can come out. I think we ain't got no more H1s. Or are they H1s? Or I think they're H2s. No, they're all H1s because I'm clever like that. So we need to change these all to H2s. H2. Yeah, it's fine. Which means now we need to change that one there to a H2. And that should have changed nothing. Which it didn't. Perfect. Right. Center P, here we go. So we want this text font size to change to 2. That is going to be well too big. Yep. So we're going to change it now to 1.5. So that make it a bit more bold, I think. which is, how do you, goddamn, font, that's it. Font weight, bold. That's better. Now the hammer thing is what he wanted. Why do we do that's a line break? So we can change the gallery now. I mean, I like the way that we've done it here, like where it goes like like that. Okay. So I've got to get JavaScript in as well afterwards, because at the moment it doesn't open up and I can't go back. Now I can. In addition to a bespoke joinery package, why has that done that? Because that one must still be a H1. Drawings. Nope. H2, H2. H2. Why have you done that? The other one's right now. I mean, why did both just change? That was there a minute ago. Oh, wrong one. Center. No, that. Why is that done that? Is there something missing here that I've missed? H2, 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 H2. The divs are all okay. The div opens there, yeah. That one there goes down there. He's for there. Image, div. Go away. H2, H2. Huh. Oh. I bet it's this. Yeah. Page didn't refresh properly. Right. Excuse me, I'm just going to go to the bathroom. Oh, mate. Come on. Get off. Get off me, man. Get off. Thank you. For some reason, in the toilet, I've just had a brainwave. Right, just to make this a bit more clear, we're going to leave the top bit like that. We're then going to change the full page. We're going to change the background image. We're going to turn it into a comment in a minute, which I can't remember how to do, which is down here. No, it ain't. Oh, man. I always forget to do comments. It's like forward star or something. Fuck, that worked. And then it's star forward. Ah, hashtag winning. Right. So now that's gone. That should be now gone. Done it on the wrong one. Excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. what I was meant to do was this one here. / star end star / cool. Save, open. There we go. Right, so we're going to turn that background color, we're actually going to take that there and put that there like that, and then we're going to take the background color, background dash color, and turn it black. Enter. And we're going to change the color of the writing to silver for now. Excuse me. Right, and then we're going to get rid of the border quickly, like that. Right, now obviously we need to make it a bit more stand out-ish, because what it is, even that one that Derek sent us, which was the parrot one there, right? It's wrong one. Sorry, it's the one next. That one. Right. So it's simple, isn't it? Like you got a small area there for your thing, but it's black. Then there's light grey. All the stuff's one colour. Then you got a lighter grey. You know, it's just simple colours, right? So for now, we're gonna make it a bit easier because at the moment it's too colourful. It's too many bits going on. Now I'm thinking if we do the other way around, so the black at the top and that at the bottom. So if I go to there and then go to, oh man, so that and then that. Cool. Right, so top container will now be that. Copy. And then I'll paste that in there. Background colour, we'll get rid of that. And then that lot can come up here and go in there. Take away them. Oh, if this works, I'm well happy. Save that. Close that. Didn't do anything I wanted at all. Right. So we'll get that one there back down there. Hopefully it's there. Yep, there. The background image will be... We're going to have to change the colour on this because it's too easy. It's too light. But now if we change that one up there... Right, so actually let's just change this now. So let's swap it, because what it is, where it's scratched over the whole screen, it's massive. Right, so nope. Put that there, do that. And then we've got... So what we've got? We've got dark, light, lighter. Doesn't really work. So let's change it for that, and then that again. Like that. There we go. Yeah? I mean, again, the light in the middle is definitely too light, so we need to change that to... I don't know, something like that. That's bad. It's no good. Oh, I've done it. Nah, too dark. So we want like a silvery colour in the middle, but not too... There we go. That sort of works, maybe. Not really, but that'll do for now. Right, and then on the top one, which is that one there, which we're going to now do another comment on, so it'll be star forward, and then / star. And then we want a background colour of black, like that. So it stands out so much more already, but then also the difference between them was a bit nicer. So if we quickly just get rid of that and that, it should replace the... yeah. So let's go with a dark one now. So literally black, followed by... Actually the blue might not be a bad shout. Like a hazy... like that, maybe? And then that can just jog on. We don't want that one. No. Maybe a bit dark again. what that looks like. I mean, now we could change later on, right? But yeah, I think that's a bit better. Do you know what I mean? Like, there was too much colour. We need to make this a bit darker as well. So let's find the colour there. Okay, that didn't help. So let's go with hashtag 00000. Nope. Hashtag FFFFF. Like that. That'll give us white. So we should mean that we can muck about with whatever we want. So what colour do we want the writing really? So if I go like there, and like a silvery blue. What does that look like? Don't look that bad, but it needs to be darker. Oh, I like that. Oh, right. We'll keep it up for now. Cool. So the H2s have all been fine. Right, okay, so gallery, right, okay. Focus. Just focus for 1 minute. Right. That still needs to change. That's definite, because it's too big and it's wrong. These, I like these now. And what have these got here? Look, so like, theirs is a bit more simple, but we don't want that simple. But we do want it so that when you hover over it, it highlights. So let's do that now. So on the, I think we give these all names as well. We haven't. Oh no, that's alright. We can just do it in headings. So hover. Is it hover? No, it'll be. Oh no, we don't want it there. We don't want it there. We want it on the A page there, that one. Hover. And then we want how do you, I can't remember how you do it. Hover CSS. That might be better. Yeah, but like that. But then again, we don't need that one on this, do we? They're too bright for that. Oh no, we could make them bold. Yeah, that'll work. So what has he got here? The background colour. Button, class, button. The actual button itself has got an opacity of 0.6. Okay, so it's a little bit lighter than what it should be. Okay. So if we nickel that a minute. We don't want button though. We want ours in here. So the hover. So we want out of this lot, we want the opacity and transition. I think. Like that. Hover can go because I forgot we've got to do the pseudo class. So if we now look at our website, that should be a little bit lighter. The too light. Too light. So we change that quickly to 0.8. 1 should be normal. Yeah. 0.9. And then if we go on dot top dash container a that, which I think is how we did it on here, isn't it? Hover goes there, and then it will be opacity 1. So now if we start on here and then go on there, they like that. That's cool, but it don't really work for what we need because it ain't bright enough. Oh mate, Oh, hello, mate. Sorry, I don't know if you noticed you had gone back. I was running around like a madman. Yeah, it is. It is a bit boring. Um, they could do so much more with it. I think even the website's rubbish. You can't find anything you want to look at. It's just pony. It's just pony. Progress is going different. Background's now changed. Top bit's now changed. We're going for a... See, I've got to be careful here because this is where I did it last time. We're going for a sort of more simple version. Actually, your little parrot thing. So like you see, it's just ignoring all the little logos and even the text and all that. This is more just simplifying things because it's so... Mine was messy, very, very messy. So we've made it a little bit plainer. We're now doing these things so that they, you know, do something different. In fact, if I could ever use my, there we go. How do you make them bigger when you hover? Let's search. Alright, how about that? Oh, what have I clicked on there? Oh my good grief. Right, that one, yeah, maybe. No. 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 That's cool. Oh, we like that. Oh, we're nicking that, definitely. Oh, definitely. Save that a minute. Not for now, but... Whoa. What's this one? I'm not sure what the difference is on them two. Yeah, see? Sorry, dude. I need to find a extension that makes a noise. Yeah, 12 hours later. Right, the problem is when I make it larger using hover methods, yes. You just need to add a transition. Margin top, done. Right, colour that matter. S name A. Is that it? We just need to... Oh. Whoa, that works. There we go. Oh, that's actually quite cool. Oh, that works. Oh, I like it. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, no, we like that. Job done. Save that. Boosh. Oh, saved it on the wrong thing. Save that. And that. So now it's a little bit darker, goes lighter and bigger when you click on it. That's cool. I like that. Why did that just happen there? Cool. Right. You. Do you in a minute. Right. I like that. We do need a... See, because we're doing it on one page, it's too cramped. When I finish what I'm going to do on this one, I'm actually going to make a second website for him and break out the pages into 4. So you got home, home, gallery, drawing page, and so on and so forth. But at the moment, not needed. Right. Gallery can change. I don't like the orange actually on the grey, so we'll change that. I think that's cool. I like them. PhD's news. Which one's right, I'm going to change that again. We will ensure, but the standard, we can ensure that your project will what? See, wording isn't my strong point either. We will ensure, we can ensure. Is this open source? Not yet. Not yet. Literally, all I'm doing at the moment is making it on my desktop. And then I'm eventually going to start getting it into GitHub and all that sort of jazz. At the moment, I'm just playing about. I just want to make one, even though it looks pony. At least then I can say I've done one, and then I'm going to move it in and then play about with it and get everyone to have a look at it and stuff. For now, though, yeah, for the first time, I just want to do my own one. You know, so. We can ensure that your project will be a completely what? They don't work that well for it. If you ever come to the UK and you want a cupboard made, this is the man to do it. He is amazing. Project will be a completely... First time, every time. Yeah, that sounds a bit sexy, doesn't it? Right. We find ourselves, blah, 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 blah. What I've got to keep an eye out for is I've got a habit of putting capital letters when I'm writing. I don't know where it come from, but it's been doing it for years. Cool. So the separator's there. In theory, like, do we even need gallery? If we're going to be having these up here, like, boom, gallery. Drawings, boom. Yeah, now we're taking the big ones out. H2s can disappear. Jog on. Gone. Ah, but we can't. We can, but we need... That can become a div. Like so. As can that. Because we're going to need the ID to sit there. Empty div. So if we go in gallery, it'll still work. Yeah! Alright, div class gallery. I could have probably put it in there in fairness. Href, we're going to change that now to gallery. Oh no. What am I doing? What am I doing? You don't put that like that. So we're going to take that and put that there. So that should still work exactly the same. It does, sweet. Right, gallery title. Images, dual test, images, right. So the image, let's change these images now then. So, what I have got on my wonderful little computer, downloads, I think I've already put them in there actually. Downloads. It was that one there, I think. Nope. That one there. There it is, right. All of these in no images. and then picks. Right, so all of these ones are some of the bits that he's made. So we need to now just pick and choose the best ones. When it wants to load, mate, my computer can't handle nothing anymore. Might have to cut that one. Get rid of the Keter box in that. There's some cool pieces, isn't they? But I need to do more, because at the moment I didn't realise I've only actually put 2 or 3 in. That's pointless. That's a cool one, I know. That is proper cool. And he's actually, if you see on the bottom, he's actually scribed it into the wall. Not easy to do that. Right, okay, cool. So we're going to now rename some of these. So them two are the same, so they can come delete. So we want that one as wall 1. We don't want to write it in properly. Wall -1. Oh mate, you ain't annoying, are you? Right. Try again. Wall -1. We want that one there. Wall -2. And then we want that one there. Wall -3. Right. Now where was that thing I saved? Done. Game Pete, no thank you. Buy followers. Why would I want to buy anyone? You don't like it, you don't like it, that's fine. I'm not being funny, I can't even afford to activate Windows. Why would I do it? What? Right, well anyway, where was the one with the image and you got the right, there it is, right. How do we do that? That's cool, that. So what's he got here? The pick is that one, that's cool. Text is just text. And it's that. Right, let's need to go to the bathroom. Back in a moment.